Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable, disable, press side key to end calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down. In here, tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Then we go down and tap on answering and ending calls. Then go down to the bottom and tap on press side key to end calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. When you receive an incoming call, you can press on the side key after you have finished the conversation to end the call. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.